Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by aligning digits vertically so place values match. This prevents messy mistakes. Once aligned, break the larger factor into chunks, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, because multiplying smaller pieces is faster and less error-prone. As you multiply each chunk, record partial products in a scratch column and label their place shifts. Make sure to track carries as you go. Accurate carries save time later and avoid rework. Now multiply each chunk by the other number one at a time, starting with the smallest place value so you manage carries smoothly. Once you compute a partial product, shift it to the left according to that chunk's place, add zeros or move the entry over, because alignment guarantees correct summation. After each digit multiply, add any carry into the next operation. Tracking carries inline keeps your arithmetic clean. Repeat until all chunks are processed. Then prepare for the final sum. Finish by adding the aligned partial products column by column, including any carries you recorded. This yields the final product. Once done, estimate the answer by rounding inputs to the nearest 10 or 100 to see if the magnitude matches. This quick check catches big errors. If numbers don't line up, recheck for misaligned shifts or forgotten carries, because those are the most common slip-ups. If you still see a mistake, recompute the offending chunk step by step to isolate the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.